I am Mustafa Sherwani from Chhati Aankh daily newspaper in Hindi. I am here in Kennedy Hall with our guest, Firoza Begum Mustafa from Malaysia. Ma'am, how this climate change affect on agriculture?
Thank you very much for this opportunity to talk. I'm a Professor Firoza Begum Mustafa from Department of Geography, University Malaya. University Malaya is the oldest university in Malaysia and number 60 in the world. So my research field is on agriculture. What I can say is the impact of climate change on agriculture is very huge. Even from 200 years ago, all the data showing the farmer had a lot of difficulty because of climate change. The impact even make the farmer to migrate from one place to another place. But the technology, especially the development of new technology and the innovation in the technology, create a lot of opportunity, new opportunity, and this make agriculture is possible everywhere, including in the desert area. What is technology can do for a farmer? Actually, we can overcome whatever issue and their challenges. Also, we also can have a new revenue for this agriculture activity through this development of new technology.
So what is the effect of pesticides, and we are using, these chemicals for our cultivation?
Okay, those days, agriculture with the pesticide and all, of course, a lot of negative impact because of the amount of usage, the ingredient of pesticide and so on. But with the new technology, with the green pesticide institution, what we can say that using using the drone, number of chemicals sprayed and type of spray and amount and the duration of spray also reduce the impact of the usage of chemical or pesticide to this agriculture activity, which is, of course, I will say organic agriculture is good, but development of agriculture, production in volume and mass volume cannot be done without this pesticide.
Ma'am, we see in the world a lot of, non-cultivated where we cannot cultivate because of the stones and this. How we can make this land to the cultivation?
Actually, thank you for that question. Actually, there is a lot of place that we cannot cultivate. There is reason for that, but what we study is why we study geography. Actually, we cannot cultivate paddy in the dry area, but we can cultivate a dry type of vegetation in this dry area. Maybe we can dry a dates tree in this area. Maybe we can plant this cactus tree or so many other dry type of like a walnut and so on in this dry area. But whatever we can plant in the wet area, we should not think about changing the environment to plant it in this dry area. That's why we need to learn geography, because the basic need is showing that human and environment interaction. So we interact rationally with the environment. Dry area, we plant dry vegetation. Wet area, we plant wet vegetation. That's the point.
So this, in the globalization, we see that lot of trees are cutting now. Forest is going to become concrete forest. So what do you say about this? How can we, government will approach for this?
Okay, the encroachment, the forest, because of the globalization, that what we have to face in this world. But what we can say that government should have some policy, rules, and regulation to help to encourage. To discourage this thing to happen.
Thank you, ma'am, for your precious time given to us. I'm Mustafa Sherwani with my chief editor, Mr. Yunus Khan Chaudhary, and Mr. Haidar Khan, cameraman.
Thank you.